Hi, I'm Patricia Samaniego, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to pack your clothes like a professional. If you're traveling and you're trying to save some space, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to do that. So the best tip that I can give you when it comes to packing your clothes like a professional is to pick an item that you can use that's interchangeable with everything else that you're packing with you and taking with you on your trip. So the example that I have here is neutral pair of pants that can go with pretty much anything you have. I've paired it with a Aztec print cardigan and a very basic black blouse that you can use with anything else that you have that you're traveling with. The second look that I have is the same neutral pair of pants with a peplum neutral colored top, and you can add a pair of high-heeled stilettos that will bring all the colors together with your outfit.